G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's June the 2nd, 2023. This is the US dollar update. On our weekly, it's in a neutral positioning after breaking up from a bearish positioning some time ago. On a daily, it just broke down into a neutral from a bullish signal. So again, primarily want to try and trade when the weekly and the daily are aligned. You can trade in the direction of the daily on the lower time frames, but again, I just like to use making sure the weekly and the daily are aligned to give you a better probability of success. So looking at the weekly first, you can see here the triple moving average of the price chart, moving average 3, 5 and 60 is combined with the moving average 5 and 50 of the CCI 150. When they're aligned, it shows a bearish or a bullish indicator. At the moment they're neutral, meaning they're not aligned. On the daily, you can see there it's also broken down from a bullish into a neutral positioning. But also, I just want to zoom out. You'll notice here the price has actually gone just past the 61%, and that's always a key level. If it breaks much higher than that, it actually almost reached the 78%, and it's broken down from there. But if I zoom out, there is a major support here at 10.050. It's been that way for a while. It's bounced off that a number of times, and it's major resistance up here at 11.472. There is no other support or resistance to sort of specify at the moment currently. If we go to the hourly, there is however these trend lines, these diagonal descending trend lines. If I zoom right out, you can see there it's currently sitting on this ascending trend line. It's actually rested quite nicely with a wick just on that little point there, and potentially may bounce up, but there is no other support resistance apart from these trend lines drawn at the moment. So without making it too complex, I want to keep it very simple at the moment. So as soon as another support or resistance line is formed, albeit minor resistance or support, I'll let you know. In terms of trading, again, I like to trade using the direction of the weekly and the daily charts. So if I zoom out there, you can see there most of that period was running a long back test, a long program back test. Most of this period was going long. You can see there going back to August 2021, which is back here on the weekly. You can see they're predominantly long trades. And if I zoom out, August 2021, during that period, you can see there are all those little long signals indicating long trades only. Until we hit this point here at the just at the peak of that, September 2022, that's where we started getting only short positions primarily. Again, likewise there, short positions primarily. There were no long trades to be taken in the weekly, and only a couple of long trades during that little advancement there. So to avoiding that drawdown and that hit on your profitability, you would have been wise to trade in the direction of the weekly and the daily. So that's the reason for that weekly daily, is to make sure this programming strategy works in your favor. So to understand this and other trading strategies, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe to my Patreon page, where we also answer your requests and any questions. We also do weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.